What is up YouTube? Nick from TutorialTellers, and today I'll be showing you guys how to set up your green screen in OBS. So as you guys can see, I have my green screen set up right behind me, and I also have OBS loaded up. So once you have those two things done, you want to go ahead and go under scenes, and you can either right click on an empty spot or go ahead and click this plus sign, and you want to go ahead and add your scene. So for my scene, I'm just going to label it TutorialTellers. Label yours whatever you're using yours for, and then you can hit OK. So once you have your scene done, you want to go ahead and go to sources and either right click again or hit the plus sign and go ahead and add your device that you want to record. So game capture or display capture. I'm going to go ahead and go to display capture. I think I'm wanting, and I'm going to label this again. Label yours whatever you want and go ahead and click OK. And as you guys can see, I'm recording my screen right now. And now what you want to do is go ahead and hit OK after you found what you were looking for. And also under sources, you want to go ahead and add your webcam. So plus again, and I think it's a video capture device, and you want to go ahead and select your webcam. So my webcam is the Logitech C922. And as you guys can see right here is my webcam, and here's me. So I'm going to go ahead and make this a little bit smaller like that. I'm gonna put it at the top right and go ahead and leave that like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and lock these so I can't touch these or drag these around. So after you have found your desktop or whatever you're wanting to record and also your webcam, you want to go back under sources and find your webcam again, but this time go ahead and right click it and go to filters. Once under filters, you want to go to add or the plus symbol and go ahead and find Chroma Key and add it. So if you click on Chroma Key and add it, you have all these settings that you can change, and the key color type you want to be is green. You can mess around with these other colors or customize your own, but I'm only familiar with green, so we're going to only touch base on green. For the similarity or pretty much everything, all these settings that you see on your screen or my screen right here, it just depends on the lighting that you have in the room. So the more you mess with it, or let me turn the Chroma Key on, for instance. I think this is it. Oh yeah, this is it. So Chroma Key is on, and the more you mess with it, the more the green screen will go away. So like the fuzziness like that, the more you mess with it, the more it'll go away. You don't want to do it too much. Like I said, it just depends on the lighting. And for the smoothness, I don't think you need to touch really. So color spill, it just all depends on your lighting. So I'm going to leave that at 1, 2, and opacity, you always want to make sure it's at 100. The contrasts, you can mess around with it. I think I'm going to stick with at 8, and then for the brightness, we'll probably do 8 as well. It kind of looks a little bit dull, but whatever. This is a tutorial. And the gamma, you don't really need to mess with as well, but you can if you want. So I'm going to leave that like that. And as you guys can see, my green screen is gone, which means that it's working. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.